Welcome to Aura by Vibes Lifestyle, inspired living, inspiring you to amplify your aura. Thank you for being here. Let's explore the intersection between quantum entanglement and manifestation. Quantum entanglement is a phenomenon that arises from quantum mechanics. It is one of the most fascinating and perplexing aspects of modern physics. It describes a situation where two or more particles become correlated in such a way that their properties are intertwined, regardless of the distance between them. When something happens to one particle, the other particle or particles are affected instantaneously, even if they are light years apart. While quantum entanglement has been the subject of many scientific experiments, its relationship to concepts like manifestation, the idea that thoughts and intentions can influence reality, is far more speculative and often intertwined with metaphysical and spiritual beliefs. Some individuals who delve into the world of manifestation and the law of attraction might find that their understanding of quantum mechanics, particularly quantum entanglement, could either complement or challenge their beliefs. But does quantum entanglement in some way block or interfere with the process of manifestation? Let's explore this idea, blending both scientific understanding and philosophical reflection. To begin, it's important to understand what quantum entanglement is in scientific terms. In quantum mechanics, particles like electrons or photons can become entangled when their quantum states are linked, even if they are separated by vast distances. This means that the measurement of one particle's state will instantly determine the state of its entangled counterpart, no matter the spatial separation. Entanglement challenges classical notions of physics, where objects are expected to interact only locally and where information cannot travel faster than the speed of light. Albert Einstein famously called it the spooky action at a distance. This seemed to defy these classical concepts. However, quantum experiments repeatedly confirm that entanglement is real and cannot be ignored. Entanglement has practical applications in quantum computing, cryptography, and quantum teleportation. However, its true implications, especially when viewed through the lens of human consciousness and intention, remain speculative. Manifestation, particularly in the context of the law of attraction, is the belief that by focusing on positive thoughts and desires, shifting your emotional state especially, individuals can attract corresponding experiences or outcomes into their lives. According to proponents of law of attraction, the universe responds to the energy one emits, aligning circumstances and opportunities with one's inner vibrations. Manifestation is often framed as a process of aligning thoughts, feelings, and intentions to create one's reality. It involves visualization, affirmations, and emotional alignment with one's desires. From this perspective, individuals believe that they can direct their energy to attract specific outcomes in their personal, professional, or spiritual lives. The connection between quantum mechanics and manifestation is often cited by advocates of law of attraction. They suggest that the idea of interconnectedness, which quantum entanglement demonstrates, might also extend to consciousness and thought patterns. In this view, everything in the universe is interconnected, And by adjusting our thoughts or emotions, we can influence the broader reality, much like quantum entanglement links particles across space. Can quantum entanglement block manifestation? This is the question of blockage. Does quantum entanglement somehow block the process? To answer this, we must examine the core principles of quantum mechanics, metaphysical belief systems, and the mechanisms behind manifestation. Quantum entanglement speaks to a deep level of interconnectedness, but this doesn't necessarily imply that individual human desires or thoughts are being controlled or restricted by this entanglement. If anything, quantum mechanics at the particle level reveals how deeply connected everything in the universe might be. However, whether this connection operates as a block to personal intention and free will is still unknown. Manifestation in the law of attraction sense requires a focus on personal intent, and many proponents argue that the universe reflects those intentions without interference from entanglement. One argument that some manifestation experts make is that human consciousness could be linked to quantum processes, a concept sometimes called quantum consciousness. From this perspective, the brain's neural connections could operate in a manner similar to quantum entanglement, where thoughts and emotions influence reality. However, mainstream science has not yet established that consciousness operates through quantum entanglement in any direct or reliable way. Entanglement happens on a microscopic scale, and it's unclear whether such processes scale up to macroscopic human experiences or intentions. One of the key features of quantum mechanics is the observer effect, which states that the act of observation can influence the outcome of a quantum event. This idea resonates with manifestation practices, where intention and focus are said to influence reality. However, quantum entanglement doesn't imply that external observers, like other people or the universe itself, are always influencing a person's ability to manifest. Instead, entanglement simply shows how particles are correlated. Whether this extends to influencing human outcomes is an area of ongoing debate. Another interesting argument is the possibility that entanglement could tie up energy in a way that limits manifestation. If two particles are entangled, they may share energy in some sense. Extending this concept to human thoughts and intentions, it could be speculated that focusing on external outcomes rather than inner alignment might cause energy to become entangled with the wider world, leading to blockages in manifestation. This idea, however, is speculative and lacks empirical evidence from either quantum mechanics or the study of manifestation. A philosophical interpretation is that quantum entanglement reveals the illusion of control. The interconnectedness of the universe suggests that all actions are interdependent, and perhaps the manifestation process is not about controlling external outcomes, but aligning with the flow of the universe. From this perspective, the focus should be on surrendering to the natural order rather than attempting to manifest specific desires. Quantum entanglement in this sense could be seen less as a blocker and more as a reminder that we are part of a larger interconnected whole. The question of whether quantum entanglement blocks manifestation is largely speculative. While the interconnectedness seen in quantum entanglement may inspire metaphysical interpretations, there is no direct evidence suggesting that quantum physics interferes with or negates the processes of manifestation as understood in the law of attraction. Quantum entanglement demonstrates the intricate, often mysterious nature of reality, but it does not imply that our thoughts and desires are powerless. Rather than focusing on the potential blocking effects, it may be more fruitful to consider how manifestation can be harmonized with the deep interconnections that quantum physics reveals. Focusing on alignment with one's true self and the flow of the universe, rather than exerting control over specific outcomes. In the end, quantum mechanics offers an intriguing glimpse into the nature of reality, but how it connects to human consciousness and manifestation remains an open question. Until there is a clearer understanding, it is perhaps best to focus on cultivating inner peace, clarity, and intention, the essential components for successful manifestation, while embracing the mystery. Stay inspired.